Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I would like to share some suggestion to reset forget screen time passcode without restoring iPhone. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. The first method that we are going to use forget passcode. To use that, first we have to go to settings, then tap screen time, scroll and tap change screen time passcode. This feature you can find only in iOS 13 or later. Now tap screen time passcode. Change screen time passcode. Now choose any one option. Here tap forget passcode. Now tap your Apple ID. Now tap OK in top right corner. iPhone Apple ID password required as well. Now tap OK in top right corner. Now enter new screen time passcode. Verify new screen time passcode. Now we move to the second option. Settings. Tap on your Apple ID. Sign out Apple ID and follow the instruction and tap sign out in top right corner. Then go back to settings and tap screen time, and you will easily turn off screen time passcode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.